In this video, I'll be showing you how you insert math symbols on Microsoft Word. I'm going to show you guys two different ways. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Now let's start doing this. So to do this, let's say I want to add some symbols here. What I'm going to do is I tap on the Insert tab here. From Home, you move to Insert. And you can see there's two options here. We can use the symbol and we can use the equations. Let's start with symbols. Tap on it here. Move to more symbols and you're going to get some math symbols here. Right, you're going to get some here, and you can also switch from these sites. You get me? So you're going to get this here, this, and the rest. You can switch. There are lots of them. You can get all these things here. Good. And now let's move to our second option. So we are going to use the Insert tab once again, and this time we are on the equations here. Good. And we can use this here. Ink equation. I love this, right? So let's say I want to write division or something. This division, this equal to insert, and I have it inserted. You can see here. Good. I have that inserted on Word. Simple and easy. Let me do that once again. Move to your Insert tab. Move to your equations. You can use the ink equation, or you can choose to tap on the Insert New Equation. These are some of them. These are a lot of them, basic ones. Tap on this here to have greater than, less than or equal to, or the rest. Fractions to here. If you can use this, I think I have a video of all of this. Tap on this here, you tap on this here to edit it. You bring your cursor down and you do the same thing too as well. That's it on how you insert basic math symbols on Word. If you're new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.